Alright everybody, new day, new hairstyle. Yesterday we had the butt part bohemian style. Today we're just going to do a simple back ponytail, super professional, super cute. Add a little back combing, a little bit of a bouffant, and it won't look so plain of a ponytail. And I'll do the back combing, and I usually take some kind of bristle brush just to smooth it out on the top. Bring it back, put it in your low ponytail. If you add a flower to the bottom back there, that's always nice too. And I just lift up, because this can look a little bit full, round. There you go, put a little frizz and shine in there, and you have a super cute low ponytail. Still got a little bit of something in there. From the side, so you have a little bit of volume in there. Pull a little more, the bigger you want. Spray it down. You could do a big huge one, but at least this is a nice professional, go to work, look kind of cute, have your day going, and it's a ponytail, but I don't look like a soccer mom, I hope. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, tell your friends, share it, and I'll see you again next time.